to the Steely. Woke up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You okay, buddy? What's with that side of the river they like? Come on. I could be in trouble. There's a log there. I think I'm done. Can I cross? I got it. I think it's too deep. It's too deep. I don't know if I can cross back over. I can't hear you. I'm okay. I don't fall. I can't see him. He's gonna go on the deep, I think. Can you get him or no? Holy crap.
This is a beauty.
Got him? Holy crap, look at that. Look at that beast. That's a big fish, Hunter.
We still gotta fight. Let's hurry up.
Okay, you want to hold my... look at the nose on that. That thing's huge. That thing is huge. Holy crap. He swallowed it the whole. What? You sure you got it? I'll take a picture. Okay.
We gotta get
That's the biggest fish I've ever... That's a huge. Huge. Look at his jaw. Can I take one just to...
We gotta get back.
Yeah.
Make sure the pictures are good. Are they good?
Let me check. Yeah, I think so. I wish I had the weight for that one, because that's a huge fish.